look at our 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Now underneath the hood of this one, ZZ4 350 small block V8. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a 2400 stall in it. This car actually has, as far as on any of the paint, the rebuild, as far as the tranny engine installation, everything, less than 4,000 miles on it since it was finished. Paint was done in 2012. Take a close look up at this front bumper. You can see it's got a more modern headlight in it, a little more high intensity. Grille, front bumper, headlight surrounds all look good. As you can see, the paint has a great luster to it. Very nice finish. Got a cobalt blue, indigo blue, I guess a brighter blue. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this car, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. As far as equipment underneath the hood, along with that 350, power steering, power brakes. Technicians went through this down their safety checklist, and when they go through the car, this one checked off the list beautifully. It's a great driving, great running car. So it's riding on the more modern Corvette wheels, polished aluminum. Cooper Cobra radials. Yeah, just take a look up and down that car. You can see how straight it is. You can see the reflection coming off the wall behind me. Paint really shows well. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust coming out the rear. Had a little time to go through some of the things in this car. Wipers work, horn works, radio works as an aftermarket radio. Little gauge cluster down below. Everything's good to go there. And again, you can check out the interior and see those in the pictures. There's probably 100 plus pictures of this car online, from the underside all the way to the top at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on a link down below this video in the description. That's what's going to take you right there where you can see the still pics. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, nice and straight. You can see the luster coming off the paint, the bright work, chrome, all nice on this car. Also has newer brakes. We're gone through recently. That ZZ4 engine also has aluminum heads on it. We're going to get underneath the hood and check out that engine bay here in just a bit. Blue interior. Do have a little wear here in the vinyl. Otherwise vinyl cloth combination. Take a peek at the headliner. Couple little spots, but not bad. We've got a little bit of sag to it. Dash. Very nice shape on this car. As you can see, lots of times where they're split or cracked at that speaker area. Looking good here. Not discolored, sun checked, or anything like that. Odometer reads 40,202. Can't confirm or deny as far as being original miles or not. ZZ4 engine ready to go. Alright, there's the radio. It does work. Like I said, I had the wipers working earlier. Let me take a peek at those. Boom. That little after market gauge cluster. Fan also blows as far as with the defrost and the heat. Notice the clock was not working though. Sorry for the glare there also. All right, let's slip out. Let's take a listen to that 350. And again, ZZ4. A little low cami idle to it. Listen to that. All right, let's go up to the front. We'll pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay. See how it looks underneath there. Give me just a second. We'll get the hood popped.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a peek at the hood liner first, looking good there. Alright, there we go, power steering, power brakes. Looks like HEI ignition. Got some chrome dress up as far as the valve covers and air cleaner cover. Look how smooth that thing runs. Wow. And again, ZZ4 350 V8. Chrome alternator. Heater hoses all intact, still hooked up. And a turbo 350 automatic transmission under this one, along with that ZZ4. There you go. Don't expect this one to be around very long. This body style, when we get them in, they seem to go quick, let alone one that drives out and runs out. Looks as good as this one, 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.